Are you an e-commerce business owner struggling to keep up with customer inquiries, abandoned carts, and endless manual tasks? What if you could automate the mundane and focus on what truly matters? Growing your business. Welcome to Digital Era Link, your partner in AI automation. We specialize in transforming e-commerce operations, helping businesses like yours boost sales, recover abandoned carts, and streamline customer support with intelligent AI solutions. In today's competitive landscape, AI automation isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity. Our e-commerce AI bots handle everything from automating orders and recovering abandoned carts to providing instant customer support via WhatsApp and Instagram. Imagine your sales and lead generation running on autopilot. Transition to visuals of well-designed landing pages, Shopify/WordPress integrations, and intuitive performance dashboards. But we don't stop there. Digital Era Link also crafts powerful web funnels and dashboards. From high-converting landing pages and seamless Shopify WordPress integrations to insightful performance analytics, we provide the tools you need to supercharge your online store. Ready to unlock the full potential of your e-commerce business? Visit digitalearlink.com today to learn more about our AI automation solutions. Book a free demo to see how Digital Era Link can revolutionize your operations and drive unprecedented growth. Don't just compete, dominate with AI automation. Digital Era Link. Automate your success.